Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to show you something that you can do with leftover cereal. You ever have just that little bit of cereal in the bottom of the box that nobody wants to eat? Well, I had a couple of those, so I decided I'm going to make a treat with them. I've got some Captain Crunch and some Corn Flakes. This was a special edition Corn Flakes with cinnamon basketballs. They're little puff cereals, but they're pretty good, and I thought, well, I don't want to throw it away. It's still good cereal, but we're not eating it, so let's do something with it before it goes stale. My first step is to put some marshmallow fluff in a pan, probably about a half a cup. You can use regular marshmallows too. You don't have to use the fluff. Also want to put, I probably should have melted my butter first, huh? Oh well, too late now, it's already in the pan. That might be, yeah, that's probably about right. About 3 tablespoons of butter. That's my homemade butter. That'll be in a video too. It may already be out. I don't know. You'll have to go check and see. And I'm going to put this on the stove and get it melted. I went ahead and pulled that marshmallow cream out of my pan. As you can see, there's still some because, you know, I didn't clean the pan. But I didn't want all that just to burn straight to the pan, and I think it probably would have. I think this will be fine. I'm going to get this butter nice and completely melted, and then I'll add my marshmallow cream back in. That is getting nice and melted. Now, while that's still on low, I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a cup of smooth peanut butter. I'm just going to try to get that to all incorporate. And you could use any kind of nut butter you wanted. You could use an almond butter or cashew butter or whatever. It doesn't have to be peanut butter. Okay, now I'm going to add this to my cereal. I'm just going to kind of pour that all around. Just going to stir that all up. Make sure it covers all the cereal. And I've got a greased pan that I'm going to dump this in. I'm just going to flatten that all out in the pan. I am just going to take the rest of this marshmallow cream that I have, which isn't very much. I kind of heated it up in the microwave. I don't think you're really probably supposed to do that just because it doesn't heat well in the microwave. But I'm going to smear this as best I can all around the top, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer or refrigerator. This has been chilling for a bit, and it definitely seems set up. Let's see if I can cut a piece of this out just so I can give it a taste. That uneven cut right there would probably drive a lot of people nuts. Let's see. Well, we got a few kind of not attached. It has really good flavor. Little hints of the cinnamon and pretty good. So, the whole thing with these, you could do this with pretty much any cereal that you want to do these with. Now, some cereals you may not want to have the peanut butter in it. You know, you probably want to keep that with your more bland-ish, non-fruity cereal. Have you ever done any kind of a recipe with just that little bit of leftover cereal in the box? What was your recipe? And if you give these a try, be sure to come back and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of them. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.